Hi guys, Ralph here. Right, we have a bit of a breakthrough on the Merlin. I've managed to strip it down in the last video you saw. To clean a few contacts up, get things going, and it all works. I don't fully know what was, maybe just a dry solder joint or something on the contacts not helping out, but yeah, we are kind of up and running. Now, I had the back with the games. Right, what we have to do, so look, 3 in a row, as I remember this. Top flashing to show that it's obviously working. I press game 1. Right, something else wrong here. Let's just turn itself off. Or maybe not, hold on. Oh. Right, so it's like a, first one, 3 in a row is obviously like a noughts and crosses, so I'll go middle. And I'm missing something here, I remember. New game, right, because I've got the 4 buttons at the bottom do. New game. I go. Yeah, that's something not right here. New game. That's pointed to me, so I go. And then I press computer turn. He's gone there. And to block him in there. That was the flashing one to me. And it's a draw. I think same game as that one there. I go there. Right, I remember there's a way around this one. If you went there, right, I would go there. You'd have to go there. I'd go there. And I could go up there. Guaranteed win every time. If you went in either side, I could win every time. Right, okay. I'm going to get a bit of isopropyl alcohol in this. Get a bit more cleaned up, and let's see. That switch does feel a bit stiff. Might just be that. Get a bit of solder around on that one, I think, and quick jump cut. Let's come back in a minute. Right, got the isopropyl alcohol out. Let's have a quick go on this. Bit on there. Oh, look at that. Yeah. I think a good rubbing over will do this the world of good. Yeah. That's filthy, unless it's typical 70s and 80s electronic work. Just covered in goo, and hope for best. It helps a billion times better already. That section. I need to get a brush. Bottom keyboard there. There's a few browned parts. Obviously it's 1979 tech. Nothing to do with heat sinks or worry about overheating or anything. Oh. Alcohol goes right through your skin. Yeah. That's what it's meant to do anyway. Clean and dry. This isn't the best thing to use on here. I'm gonna go find me a brush. 1 minute. Brush found. So, can't get in there. A bit inside the top. We help a little. Oh, that's better. better, that. There's a friend I watch on YouTube, Retro Man Cave. I think he got a bit of a ribbon when he first started. I'm not using a specific brush. Maybe worth an investment, I think. Oh, that's a lot better. Ooh, look at going yellow. God, I love things that are covered in goo. And with all the PCs and the laptops and the other games and stuff that I'm assuming is going to be exactly the same as this. But if this was my own goo, schmutz, or whatever you want to call it, then I suppose that's fine. But I bought this as a replacement for mine on eBay about, what, 7-8 years ago, maybe more. So there's a possibility. This isn't. Yeah. Look at that, it's a billion times better already. Get it out there. Yeah. Give it a bit more cleaning, let it dry out, and inspect the rest. Beautiful. Let's do another jump cut, because you don't really want to see it dry, do you? Watching alcohol dry. On 1 second. Right, might just give it another bit more clean on the board. What I'm going to do is take that to one side for a moment. Extra wiring on there. This needs a damn good cleaning too. They just pop off there. It's amazing the circuit board on this, just printed on plastic. It's even one sheet. A little bit of dirt on there, nothing that I can't get rid of. Yes, that way around. Otherwise it'll connect all the time without the gap. Lots of cleaning to do. And the outside case, I don't think I want to bother much with it. There's a little bit of... there's nothing really in there. The condition's really good. A bit of polishing afterwards when I'm finished. And the extra contacts in there. Yeah, there's nothing special, but it's still enough crummy metal to actually do anything. It just seems really fragile though. I'll give them a quick polish over. Apologise for camera work then. Obviously I'm looking at myself and I'm nowhere near the blooming camera. Yeah, get a bit of a clean with the alcohol. So yeah, quite impressed it actually started up. Saves me a little bit of work. Now, alcohol on plastic. Don't think there's been a problem with that over the history, time and booze. If anybody out there's got any ideas what and how, or if any themes I should do my videos, it'd be really interesting to hear some suggestions. There's one gamer out there which is pretty good, Octavius Kitten, likes to do hers drunk, and obviously nothing illegal. Sure. Actually, I'm quite certain a strip down being drunk might be a bad idea with mains electricity. So Maybe stick to drunk gaming, I think. That'd be my best idea. Well, I'll carry on with this. And I'll see you guys in the next video. As always, if you wouldn't mind, like, subscribe, share and comment if you wouldn't mind. Patreon is there if you'd like to. I'm not forcing anybody to give me money, but if you must, please, and help me create some extra content. So thank you very much, and I'll see you in the next video.